Hi, this is Kapil Gunjikar. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Kapil Gunjikar Life Vlogs. And yes, this is continuation part 2 of Clash of Clan Can Game Rewards. As you have seen on 6th of August, that was Clan Games Rewards part 1, and this is the continuation part 2. So stay tuned to the entire video or watch the entire video. Stay tuned or watch the entire video. And yes, just go and check out the video.
Going to collect this. Now I want to see if I can collect this is actually 7th one.
Oh, he was able to collect another one.
So, no, 7 only. We all collected 7.
We all collect 7?
We all collected 7.
Okay.
Only I think the first one can collect 2 extra.
Oh.
So I think I want to see your names account.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
So basically,
See, his clan score is 52,620 and his individual score is 4,000. He has got 40 gems. Yeah, he has got 40 gems. 36 lakhs gold.
This is the same amount that
Every town hall 9 would get. Yeah. Every town hall 9 would get. Correct. Okay.
And basically,
See, this is a different clan, guys. This is the original clan, the first clan. See, there is a clan and clan banner. If you go, there is like clan and clan
these
perks.
are all clan perks.
This is clan perks. When you click that flag, there is one clan and clan banner. If you click the clan banner, you come to know the perks. See, the clan perks.
Our treasury extra storage is 10% donation. Actually, this is to be a matter covered next time. But just to show you, we are just, I think, 3,500 away for becoming clan in 19.
Yeah, clan ranking 19.
So this is the clan wherein it shows you the members, and this is clan perks where it shows you the perks that you will get for this clan.
Yes.
So Kapil will cover this for the other clan.
Other part of the Clash of Clans.
Now actually I am trying to zoom out. I press the same, actually it went the cursor.
Yeah, that sometimes does.
Now I will go for, I'll finish mine and then I'll go for his.
No, you have to move it by your mouse, left click and then scroll, yeah. You could see my shadow. Because of the slow internet speed, this is taking a little time. See, this is his Town Hall 10 village base, level 1 wall, guys. He's making sure what he has, what he not.
Already having 2 super potions.
Yeah, already he's having 2 super potions. He'll like, okay, I'll wait till I go to Town Hall 11 and try to keep it and maintain it. He must have got that since this thing, season challenge.
Season challenge and free.
Yeah, free from the trader.
See, here I cannot buy this research potion. I have 5 out of 5. I have 4 out of 5, but it gives 2 mandatory. I can take 1, it cannot take 2.
See, it says we will give you because of it's in the clan rewards and it says 2 resource potion. He already has 4 out of 5 in his clan treasury or in his town hall magical items. So 4 plus 2 is 6, but we only can store 5. So it is giving a red exclamation. No, you cannot claim this reward. So let's see what chaos from the chaos account he takes. As usual, the rewards, I suppose. Yes, gold, dark elixir, gems, gold, elixir, Rune of Gold, and then collect rewards. Yes.
See, basically.
This is basically, I think we both are this time around going
42
for,
lakhs.
we both are going for, yeah, sorry.
And here just below, if you can check, see Joker was, I don't know how they are ranking it, but this is which basically they have, I would say like sorting.
Yeah.
Because I remember Badlands was third, here it is fifth, and Joker is second. Basically, I completed Joker the last of my 3 accounts, but I'm still unsure.
Yeah, after clan games, how they do the
Sorting
or ranking, that we don't know.
Now, if you check, I have only 18 lakhs, and my even
Elixir.
elixir is 34 lakhs. However, if you check what I have to develop, still I have to see develop barracks, spring traps, and dark elixir drills, bomb skeleton traps, cannons, archer towers. So that's why I went for the money and the rune. Now it is, see,
Like these are the basic.
yesterday it was not showing me the town hall. Today it is started showing me the town hall just now.
Yes, that means within
My upgrades are getting completed.
within maybe 4 or 5 months, he may go to Town Hall 11. And see, basically, in the first video when I showed you the resources, I said there is a dark elixir also, but you saw only the gold. This is the gold. This is the elixir. Familiar two things. Now, in Town Hall 7, they introduce you with dark elixir.
It shows
And
how
it
much
is
there
very-
in treasury.
Yes.
Now I'll show you what happens. See, my capacity is 8,50,000. Now, basically, if you check here,
He is checking in Clan Castle.
no, I thought this was free.
Trader.
Uh-huh. Actually, it was highlighting here full. Okay. So if any 3 of the parameters are full, it will show a red lock. That's what I was waiting for, however.
No, even any one of the parameters.
That's what I said. Any one of the 3 parameters,
Yeah, it gives a red lock.
red lock. I wanted to show you that.
Okay.
You might have seen actually.
Yeah.
It will be there in the video if you check observe.
Yeah.
Now,
Or
see,
it might come again in the some
there
of
are
the.
different accounts.
Yeah.
Now if I transfer, see.
See, he has transferred from all the Clan Castle treasury to his storages, which will be utilized. See, within no seconds, entire resources are into the storages, and those will be now utilized by these builders. As of now, all the 5 builders are busy, I suppose.
Yes.
Yeah.
0/5.
That's the reason there is a 0/5.
Now I'll go for Joker.
This has just entered Town Hall 9.
What Joker? 8.
8. So this is different. Town Hall 8. See, he invariably does this. I never do this. I first go and try
See,
to.
I already have a rune, but it is builder gold.
But it's a builder gold, yeah.
Now to explain you, basically this is power potion to boost your troops. This is a shovel of obstacles with. This is actually, if you even like, don't be fooled by it, because this can be used to move obstacle, single obstacle. However, even your this is free of cost when you try to move the obstacle. But when builder tries to move without this shovel, it is either like it will consume elixir or the gold. This is Vulgaring to upgrade. This is super potion. This is clock tower potion. So again, the standard favorites. See, basically in COC, whomsoever, if they have resources, they will go for gems. If they don't have resources, they will go for resources. And these all potions actually people do get easily.
Yeah, through the traders.
See, this is a builder potion.
see 40 gems, 30 lakhs gold, 27 lakhs elixir, 6 lakhs dark elixir.
6,000.
Yeah, 6,000 dark elixir, and 1 book of heroes and 1 rune of gold, that is home village.
And this is what actually. So if you see here.
So all these resources, as soon as the builders are free,
And
over here there are only 3 builders. As soon as the builders are free, some of the other buildings would go for upgradation, and all the resources would be empty.
See this.
Oh, okay, right. Hold on. Yeah. See, this is the lock, because one of the parameters, like one of the resources.
Welcome back. And yes, this is the end of part 2. Stay tuned, because on next Friday I am coming up with Clash of Clans clan game rewards part 3, which is a final part. And so if you like this video, then please press the like button along with the subscribe button, and if you feel like commenting, please comment on my comment section, and I'll give it the link in the description box for clan game part 2. Any of the COC, the links would be given in the description box or in the I button on the left of the screen. So hope you like this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also follow my Instagram, guys. I have very less subscribers. Come on, guys, followers, subscribers. Anyways, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.